Presentation layer. Presentation layer performs encryption within an application. How? Actually, you have some protocols. For suppose think that HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS. HTTPS will always send the data in the encrypted form. It will not send the data in plain text. It will send the data in encryption. So HTTPS at the application layer will tell presentation layer that my data is coming, you should encrypt it. Then the presentation layer will encrypt it in the format what tell the presentation layer whether to encrypt or not. If it tells to encrypt it, it will encrypt it. Beside encryption, it also has another work, that is, see here, for suppose I am sending one image or picture. If it wants to, if it has to be transmitted from one device to other device, okay, it cannot go in the form as we see. You are seeing an image, will it go in the same way? No, it has to be transferred into one standard format where both the devices can understand. The standard format will be JPG file, image, JPG file, right? And if you're listening to music and you want to share this music with your friend, and now the data is going, will it go same as the sound? No, it will be going as an MP3 file. Who is converting them? Who is translating them into their standard formats presentation? Okay, and it also ensures that data is presented correctly as the application layer demands. This is all about the presentation. Okay. Now session layer. See, session layer helps establish session with the reserved port numbers. It assigns session it assigns a session identifier. Yeah, yeah. At the now we are speaking about the sending side. Once the data is received at the receiving side, ultimately the presentation layer will encryption and decryption. Okay. So what does session layer do? I'll just tell you a simple example. I open my PC. Okay. I open my application and I open my Facebook. Okay. Facebook.com. Facebook.com, it is little old. So we'll use one new one. We'll use Instagram. I open Instagram and my Chrome. Can you do it? Can do it. Right? I open Instagram. Now, have you ever thought that whatever the data is coming from the Instagram, why it is not going to the Facebook? Because we are opening the both tabs in the Chrome itself. Why that is not mingling? How can that device separate that? How it is able to differentiate that this data is coming to Facebook, and how it is able to differentiate that this data is coming for the Instagram? How it is doing? It is done by actually the session layer. What does a session layer do actually? Session layer will assign one port number. Okay, port number actually it ranges from 0 to 65535. Okay, in this range actually you will have from 0 to 1023, which are well known. That in the sense these are reserved for some particular services. Okay, first for suppose think that I'm using HTTPS at the application layer. You have one port number reserved for it, right? Because HTTPS will be used by everyone in the world. Instead of using one random port number every time, we can use a specific port number for that. They reserved it to IANA. IANA is a body which deals with the numbers in the networking. That is IP addresses, port numbers, AS numbers, everything. This IANA will standardize these numbers, IP addresses, port numbers, and whatever. So what it did is it actually gave HTTPS it reserved some port numbers out of these 0 to 65535. That is 65,536 port numbers, 1024 port numbers are reserved. That in a sense that cannot be used by the PCs for their own purpose because they are reserved. Okay, they are reserved for suppose if you are using HTTPS, the port number will be 443, and if you are using HTTP, the port number will be 80. Okay, so in this way, these are reserved. And where are we? Here, my session layer, what it does is, whatever the tab I open, whatever the service I open, it will give a port number and identity to it. Or suppose think that for Facebook I give 2000, and for Instagram I give 2001. Okay, now my data is going with the port number 2000. It says that 2000, and if my service using is HTTPS, then it will be 443. This will be my source and this will be my destination. Okay, I'm opening my PC, I opened my facebook.com. Ultimately, it has to get the web page. If it wants to get the web page, ultimately it will access the HTTP server, right? It will keep source as 2000 and destination as 443, and it will send this packet to this HTTPS. This HTTPS server on receiving it, it will check what is the destination port number. That is 443. Then it will come to know that this request has come for HTTPS. Then it will check what is the domain name, facebook.com. Right? That is the thing I'm requesting. It will reply back with, now the source port number will be 443 and destination port number will be whatever the thing I sent, 2000. Now my PC got the packet. Okay, now it will check what is the destination port number. 2000. It will check for 2000 what the service is being used. Facebook.com. Yes, it will give this packet to Facebook.com. In this way, session layer will initiate the session. It maintains the session with these port numbers, and once the session is not needed, it will terminate the session, and it will use this port number, whatever the terminated session's port number is there, whatever the next service or the next session is to be established. For that, it will use this port number. Okay, this is the importance of port number. This is how in actual scenario the device is differentiating the data based on port number. Okay, so it helps establish the session with the reserved port numbers as I told you. Okay, session identifier is assigned at the receiving side. My server, whatever the request comes, it comes with the destination port as 443. Yes, right. Then only it can come to know that this is an HTTPS request. Okay, every request. See, we are not the only one. We are not only the two. We are accessing the Facebook server. Overall, the world, there are some millions of people accessing the Facebook.com at a time. How is it differentiating the different users using the session IDs? So now you got what is the port number and the session ID. Now you got this, right? What is the session ID and the port number? And this session layer itself, it has a responsibility to track the connections between the host and remote computers. How it will track? Using these port numbers. Okay, so this is all about the upper layers. Yeah. As I told, the port numbers, as I told, see.
No, the port number I didn't like.
What?
Port number.
Port number. No. They, see. I opened facebook.com. Okay, I gave a port number, for suppose it is 2000 for now, and now I need to go out and have some lunch and then come back. What will I do? I will terminate this session. Immediately I will close this tab. Now this 2000 will be used for some other service. Okay, and now I came back and again I opened the facebook.com. At this time, the PC will pick another port number. Why? Because that is being used by some other. Yes. Once the port number is allotted for that service, until that session is terminated, it will have the same port number. But once terminated, it will get another one once again if we use that service. Okay.
What are the port numbers?
Yeah, those will not be changed. That's what I'm saying. The next case is that itself. So as I told, the port numbers are from 0 to 65535. Okay. Out of these, 0 to 1023, that is 1024 ports are well-known ports, that is reserved. These port numbers are used by well-known services. If you are using HTTPS, it always uses port number 443. It will never be changed because this is reserved. HTTPS 443, 443 HTTP reserved. It will never be changed. Okay. If you see example C, HTTP, it has port number 80. If you are seeing HTTPS, it has port number 443. If you are seeing DNS, it has port number 53. If you are seeing FTP, it is using 2021, Telnet 23. And we have registered port numbers which can be used by the PCs for the private application. Okay, so I open my Instagram. Okay, a port number must be given to it for identification. Registered port numbers will be used, and it will be ranging from 1024 to 6553. And registered ports can also be called as ephemeral ports. Ephemeral ports. Registered ports, or they can also be called as ephemeral ports. Both are the same, one and the same.